What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. New to the channel, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. I'm making one video instead of two, showing y'all both of the new project trucks. So I got a Cat Eye 2007 classic. We got it right here. That's one of the projects we have going on. Really nice. And then we got a Ram. It's a bronze color. So what we planning to do on these trucks, I still don't know yet. But I want to spray both of them. If not just one, but we'll see. But I'm gonna show y'all the truck. Have the Ram right here. We painted it all. Painted all the truck. It was this color, but we wanted something more metallic. The Hemi, the 5.7. I think I'm gonna be spraying it. Who knows? So y'all comment below what we should do to it. I kind of want to level it out. Y'all comment below what should we do to it. But yeah, but this was just a quick little video showing y'all the two new project trucks. But y'all stay tuned for the bill and comment what should we do to them.